Toyota certified used vehicles come with an extensive used car warranty, one of the best in the industry. Each Toyota certified used vehicle comes with a 3-month/3,000-mile comprehensive used car warranty from date of certified purchase. This warranty covers any repair or replacement of components which fail under normal use due to a defect in materials or workmanship. Each Toyota certified used vehicle is also backed by a 7-year/100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty from original date of first use when purchased as new. We also add a 7-year/100,000-mile 24-hour roadside assistance plan from original date of first use when purchased as new.